Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I know you can only see part of me, but that's okay. And I know the light isn't all that. So let me show you all what I've been eating and snacking on. And they are called muscadine black grapes. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, and let me show y'all. I had some this morning with my chicken biscuit. Hi. That's the cleaning lady. You know, she said, why would she be sitting here eating in the bathroom in the locker room where the toilet is, but the toilet is around the corner and nobody is in here. That's what it looked like on the outside. The skin is kind of tough, almost leathery, so it's different than a grape. And then the inside is kind of slimy but sweet, and the outside is tart. And then you see these little veins, these little lines, these little veins that are running through the muscadine, almost like blood vessels. And then and you bite through it. Those are the seeds. Let's see if we can get one out. See, that's a seed. So I've been collecting these seeds so that I can grow them. So I can plant them. And then it comes out like this. It would come out in the whole ball, but I bit it so I'm sorry. And so this is what it looks like. It's empty on the inside now. And I just eat it. And I just drop the seeds down in here, because I have a bag there for the seeds. Okay. So just to give myself a little boost, this is Sokoto by Juvia's Place. This is a contour stick. Now these used to be foundation sticks a long time ago, but they don't call them that no more. Juvia's Place has 3 foundations. Okay, let me show y'all what I did. Okay, and they have a velvet matte foundation, which is my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna take this little makeup brush. Let's get it cleaned off. Can y'all see? Because I know the light is not good. So I'm just gonna go around like this. Go around like this. To kind of camouflage some of that darkness in the eye area, especially right here. Because you would be surprised how youthful it makes you look when your eyes are not as droopy and dreary. I don't even know how well of a match this foundation is, because it used to be the perfect match for me, but I know that I have gotten darker with the summer. So it's the Juvia's Place. I'm calling it a contour stick or shade stick, and Sokoto, S-O-K-O-T-O. Okay, and it lasts 24 months, and I got it early this year on a sale. So let's get into this Glam bag. Okay, the first thing I see in this Slay Glam bag, I could have used it, are some brushes. I might can do some ASMR. Okay, so I'm not going to take them out right now. It's limited edition Pro Eye Kit, 4 brushes. Okay, I'm not going to take them out right now. And then I got a, which looked like a chrome. Now, y'all know I had a chrome last week that I was trying to put on my nails. And I think it was a eyeshadow instead of a nail polish. And I was trying to put it on my... Man, this is so beautiful. Look how deep and dark that is. But it's not a whole lot in here. I'm gonna have to contact them and tell them it's not even full. And look what it looks like in the cap. Look how deep, dark, and pretty that is. Oh, I'm gonna have to swatch this for y'all. But I'm not gonna do it right now. So now that I'm thinking about it, that probably was not a chrome to go on your nails. It probably was a chrome eyeshadow and I just didn't realize it. Okay, let's see what else came in the Glam, in the Slay Glam bag. Okay, this is Dripping Diamonds Beauty Duochrome Lip Gloss. Now, I did try this on at home when I got the bag and opened it. Didn't try much of anything else, but look how pretty it is. I think when I get myself together, look at that duochrome. And I don't like that this is just packaging. And this little slim slither of gloss is actually how much you get. See that? The rest of it is just clear packaging. And the space that you put your gloss in is very, very slim. And then I like that little diamond on there. And so... let me show you. Another thing I like is I do like the applicator, because when you stick that applicator down in there, you guys, it's going to take up room and you won't be able to get much gloss in there. So they did think about that. So let's go ahead. Okay. Okay, so also what came in this particular bag is these. Now, I don't know what these are. I have to watch some of the unboxings just so that we can see what these are. But this is a green one. Oh, it's a liner. Okay. And I don't have many liners that are color because I don't really do that. They wet too, because just taking them off, you all may not be able to see that purple and that blue, but just taking them the lid off, you guys, you can actually see. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Beach Please Rasha B Cosmetics. That is so pretty. Okay. And I really like those muscadimes, because it's, to me, it just seems like they make you go to the bathroom. you know, make you have a number 2. Now, the only transition shade in here may be on this row, this one, because these are foils. This one and this one. But what would you smoke it out with? If you want to smoke it out, this may be dark enough. The rest of these shadows in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, are like chromes, shimmers, and you have this tan, you have this plum purple looking shade, and you have this mint green or this light green there, and it has a mirror, of course, that are just mattes. Okay, so we have the Beach Please eyeshadow palette. Okay, got the Beach Please, and hopefully this will be the thumbnail. I don't know what they consider how they consider thumbnails, but hopefully this will be it. And as y'all can see, my nail polish is coming off, and I do not have any more nail polish remover, so I've been just kind of peeling it off carefully. Don't want to peel this one off without being able to put that base coat on there. But you see, this is still on all of it. And this one, the reason why I don't let my nails grow out too long, like this is too long for me. Maybe not you, it's broke right here. And it stops right there. Y'all see that? It's broke on this side. From there to there. And it's below the line. So y'all know that hurts. We got 3 liners. We have a beautiful purple chrome shade. We have a lip gloss that is a dual motor chrome, they said. And then we have brushes. Okay, so that is our Slay Glam bag. And I'm going to use this lotion right here. Apparently, I got it in one of my boxes long time ago. And it's vanilla bean, natural goat milk, hand cream. When I tell y'all, I don't know if y'all can really see the ash on my hand, but this smells good. I already put some Sol de Janeiro hand cream on, okay, and it was the one in the pink container that's kind of this color. Well, I hope y'all didn't see that address. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up my video. Tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. I do have one more unboxing as soon as I get it. I think it's come today. Plain and Makeup by Yolanda had a 70% off. And I got a couple of things from her. And that's it for the makeup and stuff like that. For a while, I'll just probably try to use most of it now instead of ordering makeup, because I don't really wear it in the summer. But I like the unboxings and things of that nature. So the wig is wigging, the lips are lipping. Thanks for watching.